Hey friends, welcome to my channel, welcome to my homestead, and welcome inside of our solar room. I gotta tell you, I cannot believe Signature Solar has done this, and I have no idea how they are able to do it. And that is drop the price on one of their most popular inverters and one of my favorites, the 12000 XP off-grid inverter. Just the other day, the price went from $2,589 for this, which is a bargain, down to $1,899. How they are doing it, I'm not sure. Maybe they are making this one now in the US, but I thought that would raise the price. But that is a massive amount of off-grid power for that price. That is unmatched. As a quick aside for you, we've got a coupon code and a link in the description below the video. So the coupon code is for $50 off. So this is only $18.49 with our link. So if you're interested in massive off-grid power, go check that out. Let me give you some very quick facts about this inverter. As I mentioned, this is an off-grid inverter, but it can accept grid pass-through and grid assist. So if your weather is terrible outside and your batteries aren't charging from your panels, you can use the grid to charge your batteries and run the loads in your house through here. A couple more facts about this inverter that are gonna stun you. It accepts up to 24,000 watts of PV input. I haven't heard of any other inverter on the market accepting that much solar power into it. It has two MPPT charge controllers in it. Each one of those can accept 12,000 watts. That's a lot of solar power. And then if you didn't know it, the new 12000 XP on the website right now is the version 2, which can output 15,000 watts of power. That's 7,500 watts on each leg because this is split phase. So it does 240. So it's gonna run your dryer, your stove, your water heater, and stuff like that. It will do that 15,000 watts only if you have sun on your panels. Otherwise, it does 12,000 watts or 6,000 watts on each leg. But still, for a lot of homes, that is plenty. And there are a lot of great features for this inverter, which I go over in my installation video. If you want to know how to connect this particular inverter, click on this video up here. We also did a very big load test on it for our house here, and you can click on that one up here as well. So using this to power your off-grid homestead or lower your insane electric bill just got a ton cheaper. That's about a $700 drop and more than $700 if you use our link. There are very few companies out there that are able to do that nowadays. These guys are one of them. So go check that out and go check out our other videos on this inverter. Have a beautiful, blessed day. We'll see you next time. Bye.